tonight, reaction from those involved in the Christopher Schurr trial after a judge declared a mistrial because the jury was deadlocked. Demonstrators marched through downtown Grand Rapids tonight, demanding justice for Patrick Lyoya. A rally and march lasted several hours tonight. We have team coverage. 13 on your side's Kiara Patterson was at the march. At times was heated, but we begin with our Julia Gorman, who has reaction from both the prosecution and the defense.
Julia, this was the first time reporters were able to ask questions of Kent County Prosecutor Chris Becker and Schurr's attorney Matt Borgula. While either side obviously wanted a specific outcome, Borgula said at a news conference today, due to the fact that we're talking about the death of Lyoya, there's really no winning.
Get in the car. Dude, I'm stopping you.
More than 3 years after former Grand Rapids police officer Christopher Schurr shot and killed Patrick Lyoya in April of 2022, 9 days of trial, more than 5 of testimony, and 4 of jury deliberation, Schurr's second-degree murder trial came to a close.
So what I'm going to do is declare a mistrial.
2 days after the jury deadlocked and Judge Christina Mims told jurors to keep deliberating, they came back deadlocked for a second time Thursday. This time, though, Judge Mims declared a mistrial.
It hurt my family, my wife, we are bleeding.
Lyoya's parents spoke right after that announcement through an interpreter.
And we're not going to be tired until when we find the justice for our son.
What happened today is not what anybody was expecting or wanted. We're hoping for a verdict, and I think the family, but they're extremely disappointed, as am I.
Obviously not the outcome Kent County Prosecutor Chris Becker was working toward.
But especially if you look across the country, there's a number of police-involved incidents where it ends up in a hung jury quite a bit. So we always knew there was a possibility. It's a difficult case.
My sense is that they worked very hard to come to a conclusion, and sometimes you just can't.
Defense attorney Matt Borgula described what he felt was a signal from the jury.
It was communicated that it was there was always a majority for acquittal on both.
While Schurr wasn't found guilty in this trial, Borgula says it's still not a happy moment for anyone.
We cannot declare victory because there really is no winning here. A man died, and that is a very serious thing.
Prosecutor Becker can now retry the case, offer a plea deal, or dismiss it altogether. While unknown when he'll make that choice, he says he'll take the Lyoya family's feelings and jury feedback into consideration.
We're not going to let this drag out. I mean, I'm going to be considerate of the community. I mean, this is a big decision, but I'm not going to rush through it.
We were not able to speak to Schurr's family today. They left the courtroom rather quickly after the trial was ruled a mistrial. We did reach out to the family. We will, of course, let you know if and when we hear back. The Lyoya family still has a civil lawsuit out against Schurr. Their attorney for that case, Ben Johnson, says he does expect movement in that case to begin soon.
Julia, thanks.